Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nikita and today I will show you how I attach this sequin balloon sleeves to my old denim jacket. So without wasting any time, let's see how I made it. For this DIY, we will require some denim jacket, sequin fabric. My sequin fabric is little bit see-through, so I'm using a lining fabric as well. A top with long sleeves, papers, scissors, marker and pins. So first we will lay our paper like this, fold it and place our top sleeves on it and start marking points like this. Then draw the armhole and join all the points and we will get our sleeves. Cut it. Open up the sleeves, place it like this and start drawing lines on it vertically. I am drawing lines randomly without any measurement. Make sure you keep some gap in between the lines while you draw them. After completing the whole pattern, we will start cutting the lines from the bottom. While cutting, we should keep in mind that we are not going to cut it fully. Keep some part like this. Cut all the lines. After cutting all the lines, place another newspaper down like this and then place our cutted pattern on it. Spread all the lines like this to get the balloon sleeves pattern. After doing this, I am going to pin down all the pattern first so that it doesn't move while I'll mark the points. After pinning all the pattern, start marking the points at the edges like this. After marking all the points, remove all the pins and then join all the points and we will get our final pattern of the balloon sleeves. As we have our final pattern now, we will cut two such sleeves on the lining fabric as well and on the sequin fabric also. We are going to place it like this so that our sequin fabric will not be see-through. See, I have already done cutting both the pieces like this. Now keep them aside and take the denim jacket. And we are first going to remove sleeves of our denim jacket first. We are going to detach the sleeves with blade, not by cutting it through scissors. See, this is how you should detach it. Detach the whole sleeves. Now take the sleeves, the lining fabric and the sequin fabric together. Turn the shirt inside out and start pinning both the sleeves together like this. Make sure that you sandwich the sequin fabric in and the lining fabric at the upside. See, this is how it should be. So when you will turn it, the sequin fabric will be out. And give a stitch on it and also do not forget to close the hands. See, I have joined the sleeves like this. As our hands are balloon sleeves, I am going to cut the cuff of the jacket. See, by leaving some fabric you have to cut the sleeves. And now just create some ruffles and join them in this way. First pin them and then join them. See, this is how it looks after pinning it down. The ruffles look like this. and when you will turn it out, it will look like this. One thing which you should remember while stitching this is that give the stitch on the edge for a more clean look. Do it for both the sleeves. As you can see, I am done with stitching it and our sequin sleeves denim jacket is ready.
So guys, if you enjoyed the video, then let me know in the comment section about how it was, and also if you're trying any of my DIYs, then let me know through my Facebook or Instagram. And yes, if you like the video, then like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you till the next time. Bye.